Hi everybody, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be a little bit more special because I'm taking you with me on my journey of reaching 10K per month, not on YouTube, not on Instagram, but in cash. So basically just all my incomes combined from multiple streams of income, I want to reach 10K per month. I'm not near to that goal at all, but I'm not far away either. So you're basically going to see what I mean in this video because I will be talking about all my streams of income. I'm going to share with you how and why I built multiple streams of income, and I'm going to tell you how much each pays me for now and how much I wanted to pay me in the future so I can reach this goal of making 10K per month. My second income stream is related to my website, incomingsuccess.com, where I share my services, my virtual assistant and social media manager services. So I offer services for people's Pinterest accounts, YouTube, Instagram. I also offer product photography for businesses. So basically I've put all my services into one, and I'm not going to share with you exactly how many clients I've got or anything like that, but I'm going to tell you that I've got almost $1,000 this month from the services that I offered specifically to the clients on my website. So this really just depends on the client, how they find you. I usually get paid $20 per hour per VA work or social media manager work, and I get paid somewhere from $100 to $300 for any social media packs that I have on my website. Third income stream is my Etsy printables shop. I am either going to list it down below, either I won't tell you what it is. I'm not decided yet, but my Etsy sales make me about $20 per month at the best. I'm obviously looking to grow my Etsy shop, that's why I'm including it here, because I want my Etsy shop to be something that just generates passive income as I do nothing after I post my product, which is something that has been happening so far, but only for around $20 per month. My fourth income stream is my Fiverr account and my product photography basically on Fiverr. I'm including this as a separate thing because it pays me differently, the clients are different, and there's just a lot of different things. And basically from Fiverr right now I make around $50 per month. That's not a lot, but I'm looking to get more reviews and just to get more orders and to grow that business as well because it's a really good income stream, and plus I don't have to work for the clients to find me, they just find me through Fiverr, which is a great thing. My fifth income stream is Amazon FBA. I recently started an Amazon FBA business this month, and I'm currently making about, well, I made about $78 since it started this month. Well, actually, Amazon FBA pays me $0 per month because I still haven't gotten the money back that I invested. So my sixth income stream that I'm looking to grow, obviously, is Google AdSense on my website and on my YouTube channel. As for the ads on my website, I'm not getting a lot of traffic right now, but I'm trying to build that with Pinterest, as I've said. I'm getting about €0. I'm not even getting €1 this month because I haven't gotten many clicks. I think I've had 2 clicks on my ads that are displayed on my website since I've put ads on my website. So I'm looking to build that as well because why not? It's just, I'm not bothering anyone with my ads. I'm only adding them into places that they don't bother people when they're reading my blog posts, they don't bother people when they're navigating through my website. My seventh income stream is affiliate marketing. I'm an affiliate for Amazon right now, which makes me around not even $10 per month. This month I made 20, and I'm also an affiliate for Bluehost, but I haven't checked that in a while, and I think it's still at $0 per month. Anyway, I'm looking to join more affiliate programs and try to add affiliate links in my blog posts, obviously with purpose and by recommending products that I really love and I think my subscribers or readers would like to purchase as well. My eighth income stream is from brand deals and sponsorships, and right now I have none. I did get contacted by a brand a while ago telling me if I would want to include their clothes in one of my videos. I never got a reply after that. So basically right now my brand deals and sponsorships make me a whopping $0 per month. My ninth income stream is my shop on my website and the product sales and courses and everything else that I will sell in the future. So I'm including this because I want you to see that I have a purpose with this and that I will build this income stream in the future, and I want you to see that I am working on it right now. So that's basically, these are all my income streams that I've have made money from or planning to make money from in the near future. Just make sure to be productive every single day and don't find excuses, because this month you might be making $20 off affiliate marketing, for example. Next month you can be making $200 because you made that blog post, because you've added that affiliate link in the description of your YouTube video. Go and take action, because trust me, nobody else is going to be taking it for you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Let me know if you are building multiple income streams right now and tell me what they are. Maybe I could get inspired by you and build more for me as well. Then make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and also press the notifications bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. Trust me, I'm going to work on my YouTube videos as well to motivate you more and to help you more into growing your online business or building it if you're just starting out. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in my next video.